quite on the centre there. Just reset that for next time. Still not. Sure what's going on with that. It looks like that's pushing off. Don't know, something not quite right with that. Looks like it's on the centre, but it also looks like it's pushing off. I can't see where it can be pushing. Oh, tip's not in the tool properly. I really need to get a new blade. Once you have a tip break and you damage... Yeah, I'd forgotten about that on this. Yeah, it's not meant to pull out like that. I'm lucky that did the job without jamming up. Well, that seems to be a bit better located in there. I wonder if it will actually take this pip off. I'll just score. Okay. Wow. Let's not come loose again. No. I keep raising it, it doesn't seem to be making any difference. Well, that's ridiculous. I'm going to say that the corner's gone on the tip, and it won't quite cut that last little bit. Still, sidetracked here. So both ends of this blade are damaged where the tip has been crushed in the past. You can see where that's been rubbing down the sides as well on that. Bit missing there. These things are double-ended. The other end, yeah, bits missing. So they don't do a job of supporting the insert. You think you can get away with it, but as we saw, no, you can't. So, got a nice new one, and this one is going in the scrap. I guess you could probably treat these as consumables, the same as the inserts. Sooner or later, they're going to wear out and need replacing.